Hello and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at the Gulf Food Exhibition, the biggest food and FMCG exhibition in the whole of the Middle East. You can see the vibe here. You can see how busy it is, and you can see how people are rushing towards the venue. Today we are going to cover a lot of companies, a lot of manufacturing units who are displaying their products and services. Today is the day when the Gulf food enthusiasts, aspiring entrepreneurs display their dream ambition. This is the Gulf Food 2026. So stay tuned and be connected with me. Let's hope we find for ourselves some good deals. This is the Kinza stall. Can I get the soda water? Yeah, that's the Kinza soda water. You can see. And it's Saudi made. Made in Saudi. Look at the pavilion of Kinza directly from Saudi Arabia. Al Kabir is the famous brand we see in the shelves. You can see this is the counter. We have Americana also here. You can see Americana. Look at the brand Americana.
Send me your requirement.
Where are you from also?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay, very nice.
You can send me an email to this and on WhatsApp. You can connect. You can send me a requirement with all your details.
What is the MOQ, brother? Local?
Roughly 2,000 cartons. Maybe.
Less than that is possible?
We can try.
So I hope you remember, this is Mr. Arshad, who's the sales manager, and we are talking with him to work on our private label brand, which we are going to launch in the local market. I hope Mr. Arshad will help us in establishing and capturing the local chips and food and beverage market. Oil. I will send you a message. My name is Ghulam.
Yeah.
I hope you remember me. Maybe we can collaborate and do some business. So if you can. So here's Mr. Ranju from IFCO brand, and you know the famous oil Noor, which we sell, which we buy, we use in our daily household. This is the brand we use, and it keeps my cholesterol level in check. And now you know Mr. Ranju is behind the famous brand, which is a staple food in all of the GCC homes. Okay, Mr. Ranju, thank you. Nice meeting you. Okay. No, I will sweat. You won't like it.
It's under Shan.
It's under Shan?
Yeah.
Pakistani brand.
Yeah, it is Pakistani brand.
This brand is Pakistani brand?
Yeah.
Which is the
This
best
one is barbecue, the Korean hot sauce.
one? This one throw.
Oh, it's amazing, man. Good.
Actually, we are working on the flavors, like with the more into the taste,
This is my card.
and also like more into the flavors, not in the just sugar, artificial.
Yeah.
See the flavor. Because for
You
me,
see, the matcha trend is rapidly growing I was in the coffee, World Coffee Tour last selling my products, So this is Mr. Alvin, and he's working for this wonderful brand. It's called Just Chill, and these syrups are being sold in the UAE for very famous cafes. He has recently cracked some deal with Mr. Kapil Sharma as well. You know Kapil Sharma, who doesn't know him? He's from India. And this is Mr. Alvin. I hope we can collaborate with him further in the future. We can do some private labeling or do some business. So I hope we can do some. And he's also a coffee enthusiast. He has a coffee business as well. He understands the specialty beans, what we always talk about. I hope we have some future together. So we are in the coffee pavilion now, and we are going to explore some of the world's best specialty coffee. I always talk about Arabica and Robusta beans, and we are going to look for the famous coffees. You're going to follow me, and we're going to see which coffees are the most high in demand right now. Okay, we are going to start with one of the famous coffee bean supplier. It's a brand called Coffee Tea, okay, and they are from Ethiopia, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the famous coffees which are there. These are different varieties of teas. So we have different varieties of beans here. Hello there. Hi. I'm looking for Kenya. Kenya, double A. I have 20 containers requirement, an immediate requirement.
Really, double A?
Yeah, double A.
Of course, to which country?
It is presently for the UAE region.
UAE?
Yes.
20 containers.
20 containers for Kenyan.
Okay.
Not the India, but I need the Arabica Kenya.
Not India, Kenya.
No, yeah.
Kenya.
Kenya.
20 containers.
Yeah.
Double A.
Double A Arabica. Can you give me
Actually, we don't
a
have any
price?
Kenyans.
You don't have Kenya? They need Kenya only. This is the particular requirement from Caps Cafe. It's a new cafe brand which they are launching here in UAE. So they are looking to procure only Kenyan brand,
Only
nothing
Kenyan
else.
brands.
Yeah.
Okay, if you can leave your card.
Yeah, sure. I'll give you my card. I would love to have your card as well.
Yes.
And I have a lot of requirements. We are no problem. This is one of the lasts for me.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Ala Khalid Al Razik.
Ghulam.
Yes, we are
Hi,
based
nice
in
meeting
Ajman.
you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. Okay, so
That is really lovely. And what is the price of Robusta now? You can give me double A. This is the one.
Double A. I think it's around 4.8 something, but let me check again. So I don't. 4.8.
4.8. Okay, that is good. Colombian. What is it? It's called the.
Small quantity. It's okay.
It's called the Colombian hula, balanced, and the notes you can say is orange, sweet, and caramel. You can see the packet. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna do a cupping session right now with Miss Joan.
How is the taste?
Yes. It's amazing. It's amazing coffee. We have concluded our coffee pavilion, and the best coffee what we found so far is one coffee from Colombia. So hopefully we're going to have some deal with them.